If you're in the market for a new action camera, I'm guessing you're looking for something that can keep up with your active lifestyle. You want a camera that's durable, has great image quality, and is easy to use. But let me ask you this. Have you considered the Insta360 X3? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Insta360 X3. It's not just a camera, it's an all-in-one solution for capturing every moment of your adventures. Therefore, I'm excited to dive into 3 things you need to know about this incredible device. Firstly, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Insta360 X3 has a rugged aluminum body that can withstand drops from up to 2 meters, making it perfect for use in harsh environments. But what really sets it apart is its modularity. It comes with interchangeable lenses, allowing you to adapt to any situation. Therefore, I think it's essential to highlight the versatility of this camera. You can use it as a traditional action camera or attach it to your drone, bike, or even your helmet for a unique perspective. But don't just take my word for it, let's see some specs. The Insta360 X3 boasts an impressive 144 FPS at 1080p and 72 FPS at 4K resolution. But what about the user experience? I've been using the Insta360 X3 for a while now, and I'm blown away by its ease of use. The companion app is intuitive and allows you to control the camera remotely, adjust settings, and even live stream your adventures. Therefore, if you're looking for a hassle-free experience, the Insta360 X3 delivers. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into what makes this camera truly special. One of the most impressive features is its Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization technology. This means that even when you're moving at high speeds or in turbulent environments, your footage will remain smooth and stable. But there's more. The Insta360 X3 also has a built-in horizon leveling feature, which ensures that your shots always look professional. Therefore, I think it's time to reevaluate what you expect from an action camera. The Insta360 X3 is not just a tool for capturing moments, it's an artist's canvas, waiting for your creative vision. But don't take my word for it, let's see some real-world examples of the incredible shots you can achieve with this camera. Let's say you're planning a surfing trip to Hawaii. With the Insta360 X3, you can capture every moment of your adventure, from the stunning scenery to the thrilling wipeouts. But what about the technical aspects? The camera is designed to withstand saltwater and dust, making it perfect for use in harsh environments. Therefore, I'm excited to highlight some of the unique features that set the Insta360 X3 apart from its competitors. For instance, you can use the camera's built-in GPS to track your route and altitude, adding a new level of depth to your footage. But don't just stop at adventure sports. The Insta360 X3 is also perfect for capturing family vacations, weddings, or even real estate listings. Now that we've explored the capabilities of this incredible device, let's talk about the price. The Insta360 X3 may seem like an investment, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny. For a camera that can deliver such high-quality footage and has so many advanced features, you'd expect to pay much more. Therefore, I think it's essential to reiterate that this camera is not just for professionals. It's for anyone who wants to elevate their content creation game. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or an enthusiastic social media user, the Insta360 X3 has something to offer. But don't take my word for it, go ahead and check out some of the amazing reviews from other users. If you're still on the fence about purchasing the Insta360 X3, let me ask you this: what's holding you back? Is it the price, or are you unsure if this camera is right for you? Whatever your concerns may be, I'm here to address them. Therefore, I'll leave you with one final thought. The Insta360 X3 is not just a product. It's an experience. For those who are ready to take their content creation to the next level, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon.